Hi everyone, in this video I want to quickly show you which software you can use to generate geometries with fixed dimensions, or GDS files, most commonly known. You can use this software to generate, edit, or view such geometries. It's quite popular for if you are into lithography, and in this case you can see the software's name is KLayout, and can be downloaded from the internet for free, so you can easily have it on your computer. And KLayout generates GDS files that can be opened then from the NanoFrazor software. I will redirect you now to the videos regarding the geometries. Specifically, we have a video in the training videos playlist regarding the differences between JPEG files and GDS files. Just to wrap up quickly, the main difference is that the JPEG files have a fixed number of pixels but no fixed dimensions. So when we import in the NanoFrazor, the dimension can be easily changed by changing the dimension of the pixels, while GDS files have fixed dimensions. So if we import them in the NanoFrazor, those dimensions will be kept no matter the dimension of the pixels that we give to our specific design in the NanoFrazor software. So here you can see an example of some structures that you can design with this KLayout software. You can do much more complex things. This is just to show you. In this case, we have 2 layers of wheels. The NanoFrazor software allows you also to give different depths to different layers in KLayout, which is quite useful in case you have specific requirements for your patterns. And once we design our layout, I will not in this video explain to you how to design any geometry with KLayout. I would say it's quite easy for simple geometries to measure and also to measure this geometry with the measurement tool, but you can also find many more details in the user manual of KLayout and also on YouTube. I just wanted to show you which software we usually use in synergy with our NanoFrazor for creating this sort of geometries. So let's say we create our design and then we import it in the NanoFrazor. In this case, I have these 3D wheels. You see the difference between also from Windows File Explorer between GDS files and JPEG files or PNGs. So I import this, and then here we have our 2 layers, layer 1, layer 2, and we can see that we can give different depths to these layers. And as I was mentioning earlier, if we change the dimension of the pixel, say we put 100 nanometers. Okay, now we lost it a little bit. Let's put 50 maybe. Okay, I think 100 was maybe a little bit too high. But in general, this doesn't change the dimension of our design. To put 10, we see that it is still the same dimension. So yeah, this is just a quick video to show you which software to use, how to import GDS files, even though such a video is more in detail in the geometry section of the NanoFrazor training video playlist. And I hope this can be helpful for you to design this sort of files and understand which software you could use in the future. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.